My name is Hugo Damo. I'm Vice President, Communication, Public Affairs, and Sustainability at Cascades. Cascades is built around recycling. A long time ago, that's where we started, and around the very simple idea of giving a second life to material, and as well as reducing the footprint on the environment. An employee from our IT division came to us with the very simple idea of making Cascades the most connected company in Canada, maybe in North America. We received that idea, our sustainable development team worked on it, and they came up with a program that includes installation of 23 charging stations, as well as a $2,000 incentive for our employees who choose to drive electric vehicles. We chose FLO because we wanted to have a supplier that can offer a product that is robust, a product that is reliable, and a product that can help us gather data on the use of the charging station. So that was important, not only to allow our employee to recharge their vehicle, but as well to understand the use of it, understand who's using it, and how we can optimize this utilization. So this is why we opted for the FLO solution. I have to say we're very satisfied. Once an employee break the ice and get an electric car, it created a buzz. The results are very impressive because within a couple of months, we went from 2 or 3 electric vehicles to more than 20. The infrastructure we put in place with the program is 23 charging stations, including 22 level 2 charging stations and 1 high-speed charging station, which is completely free and open to the public, which is, I understand, a premiere for in Quebec on an employer site. And the idea behind that was we want to have a company that is connected, but we want to as well attract people in the region that drives electric car. And actually, I have to say it works very well. It was quite amazing to see how it can attract people. A lot of companies are installing charging stations. We hope that what we did here will create a movement and will generate more impact. We actually expanded the program to all our business unit in Quebec, which is about 4,000 employees total. Now, the next step is to expand the program even larger. So we want to target our units in the rest of Canada and our units in the United States as well.